Pictory.ai is a platform that provides AI-powered tools to enhance your photos and create stunning visual content for social media. Here's how to use it. Upload your photo. First, you need to upload the photo that you want to enhance. You can either drag and drop the photo into the upload area or click on the Upload button and select the photo from your computer. Choose the editing tool. Pictory.ai offers several editing tools that you can use to enhance your photo. You can choose from a variety of options such as filters, backgrounds, and text overlays. Edit your photo. Once you've chosen the editing tool, you can start editing your photo. You can adjust the settings of the tool to create the desired effect. For example, you can adjust the intensity of the filter, change the color of the background, or adjust the size and font of the text overlay. Save and share your edited photo. Once you're happy with the edits, you can save the edited photo to your computer or share it directly on social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Pictory.ai also offers a range of templates and design ideas that you can use to create stunning visuals for social media. You can browse through the template library and customize them with your own photos and text to create unique and engaging content. Don't forget to subscribe and click the link below to get a discount on Pictory.ai.